Ever wish you learned about money in school? You're not alone. We spend years on history and math, but when it comes to managing money, we're left to figure it out ourselves, usually the hard way. Today, that changes. I'm giving you the 7 money lessons school should have taught you. We'll cover everything from compound interest to why a big salary doesn't guarantee wealth. Grab a coffee, hit like, and let's dive in. First up, compound interest. Einstein called it the 8th wonder of the world. It's interest earning interest, and over decades it turns small investments into big money. Start early, $100 a month at age 20 could grow to over $450,000 by retirement. Wait 10 years and you'll have less than half. The biggest mistake? Thinking you need a lot to start. Time matters more than amount. Even $20 or $50 a month is powerful if you start now. Just begin, be consistent, and let compound interest do the work. It's the most passive way to build wealth. Budgeting isn't about restriction, it's about intention. A budget is your plan, not a punishment. It tells your money where to go, so you're not left wondering where it went. Even the wealthiest people budget. They treat their finances like a business. A budget helps you spot waste, redirect money to your goals, and build wealth over time. Reframe budgeting as your roadmap to financial freedom, no matter your income. It's the ultimate tool for taking control. Debt is everywhere, and it's designed to look harmless. Just a low monthly payment. But the real cost is the interest, which can double what you pay for things like credit cards or car loans. Compound interest works against you here, draining your wealth. Always look at the total cost, not just the payment. Before borrowing, ask if it's worth paying so much more over time. Understanding debt's true cost is key to keeping your money. Earning money is great, but real wealth comes from owning assets. Trading time for money has limits. Investing breaks that link. Stocks, real estate, index funds. These are ways to make your money work for you. Even small investments can grow into streams of passive income. The goals shift from just earning to owning, so your money works while you sleep. Start small, stay consistent, and let your assets grow. That's the path to financial independence. Life throws curveballs. Car repairs, medical bills, job loss. An emergency fund is your safety net, not an investment. 3 to 6 months of expenses in a high-yield savings account keeps you from falling into debt when disaster strikes. It's not about making you rich. It's about keeping you from going broke. Don't skip this step. Your future self will thank you. It's your financial fire extinguisher. High income doesn't equal wealth. Many people earning 6 figures are still broke because they spend it all. Wealth is what you keep and invest, not just what you earn. Lifestyle inflation, spending more as you earn more, keeps you stuck. The real secret? Grow the gap between income and expenses and invest the difference. Your savings rate matters more than your salary. That's how you build real wealth. The most important investment? Your financial education. Money rules change and you need to keep learning. Read, listen, ask questions. Commit to being a lifelong learner. The more you know, the better your decisions and the more confident you'll be. Financial literacy pays dividends for life. Take ownership. No one else will do it for you. Those are the 7 money lessons school skipped. It's never too late to start. Take action today, no matter your age or past mistakes. Start a budget, build your emergency fund, make your first investment. Small, smart choices add up over time. You have the tools, now start building your financial future. If this helped, like and subscribe for more tips. See you next time.